I bought this camera Insta360 X4 through online 5 days ago, and today finally on my hand just arrived. And for today's video, mag-unboxing na tayo dahil ako ay excited na makikita to. Mag-unboxing na tayo. This is camera Insta360 X4. Tulungan niyo akong mag-unboxing, guys. So, it was come from international and through FedEx. So finally today, we got it. So it arrived 10:10. That's good. Never be late. It was on time because sabi ng FedEx ay darating ng ganito between 10 and 2 p.m. today. And exactly at 10 a.m. here in the United States, ay talagang tumating siya. So, camera, pang-vlog na siya. Meron na akong pang-vlog, guys. To be honest, matagal na ako dito sa Amerika, pero never pa akong bumili sa sarili ko ng ganito kamahal. Kaya, nakaka-excited. Actually, I bought something last 2 weeks ago too. So, pangalawa na to. Napaka-sealed siya. Oh! Nakita niyo, guys? Oh! Of course, plastic wrapper muna. Wow, ang dami! Ito na guys. And this is camera Insta360 X4. So, meron na tayong pang-vlog, pang-dagdag ng gadget ng ating as a content creator. Magagamit natin to. Pinakauna. Of course, ang pinakauna ay ang ating quick reader. Next, mic adapter. Insta360 S4 lens cap. Ito na ang multifunction bullet time handle. This is our Insta360 SD card. I bought it extra dahil hindi yan kasali sa ating package. Separate yan. So this is the Insta360 S4.
Honey.
And this is
Now what are you getting at?
invisible selfie stick.
Is that your camera?
Yeah.
Oh my, when did it come?
Came just 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago. Wow.
So this is Insta360 invisible selfie stick. Meron tayong invisible selfie stick.
Are you doing play-by-play on opening it?
Yeah, why not? So these are all inside the package. This box is empty.
Here.
Just keep it there because I may need to put something there.
You might have to send
So,
it back. If it doesn't, something's wrong.
So I will count how many items I got to make sure everything is here, what I paid. So yeah, this one, I paid this extra, is not included here in this package, so that's separate one. So I have Quick Reader Insta S4, Insta360 S4. This is Quick Reader. This one is Lens Cap. It's Insta360 S4 Lens Cap. This one is Invisible Mic Cod Show. Invisible Mic Hold Shoe. So that one. And then this one is mic adapter. Mic adapter. And this is bullet time handle. And Insta360 S4 camera. The last one is invisible selfie stick. Okay, so unahin na natin ang pag-unbox ng ating camera. So, we'll push that away. Manipis ng plastic na to. Ito na guys. Ano ba yan? Dito. Ganito pala siya. Kailangan mo siyang parang cover siya. Cover. Oh. Open. Ayan na guys. Ito na ang ating camera. Ating Insta360 S4. Yan. So, yan. Medyo heavy siya. Yan. Back to back ang lens ng camera niya. Oh, pwede pa siya tumayo. So, ano bang meron dito? Package. Kasali ng ating camera. Okay. So, ito ay so meron tayong maliit na pouch para lalagyan ng ating so meron din akong casing para nito. So meron casing, tapos yung clothing na pang wipe ng lens. And then, ito, meron tayong unboxing. This one is Quick Reader. Maliit lang siya. The lens cap. Is for the cap right here. protector is the mic adapter. Not gonna ruin the box, I mean the information. Sisave natin tong paper na to. I need it later on. Next is the invisible mic hold show. Oh, this is little thing. Ang laman ito. Yeah. Hold show. Wireless. So we have multi-function bullet time handle. Ako. Oh. So there is my okay, so this is, oops, my cover siya. Wow, parang soft lang, maliit siya, tapos pwede siyang ganun. Then the last one is the invisible selfie stick. Oh, ang liit lang niya. How tall is this? Wow, liit lang siya. Meron siyang cover yan. You make it. The longest 2 pieces. Pwede mo siya ganun. Ito. Pwede din siya dito. Ganun. Pwede siya ganun. 360. So, ayan guys. Ito na all I got. And pwede siya dito. Ito sa pag-vlog ko guys. Ito magandang camera to. So, kailangan kong i-ano siya.
Well,
I just found out how to.
you read the directions.
There you go. Oh, that's so long. Oh my. And there. So, yeah. Pwede din dito. Direct lang. Just like that. Hindi siya steady pocket. I want it steady.